How to set up Gmail on iPhone quickly. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Gmail on your iPhone the easy way. Now, this steps will work for pretty much any iPhone out there. So instead of using the default Mail app, which does work, I recommend going for the official Gmail app for the best experience. Just head over to the App Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom, and type in Gmail. You'll see the Gmail app by Google. Go ahead and install it. It's completely free. Once the app is downloaded, tap Open or find it on your home screen, and launch it from there. Now tap on Sign In, and if your Gmail account is already added to the device, you can just select it and hit Done. If not, just enter your email and password to log in. You'll get a few prompts like notification settings. Feel free to set those how you want. And that's it. Your Gmail is now set up on your iPhone using the official app, and you're good to go. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.